Hi toy fans! Today we're going to convert the basic armchair we made last week into a deluxe version. We can make our basic chair a little more fancy by adding cushions to the arms on the side of the chair and cushions on the backrest. The materials you will need for this project are the basic chair from my previous video, material, ruler or a T-square, scissors, pencil, stuffing, low temperature glue gun, glue sticks, a needle and thread, or fabric glue. Let's start with the cushions for the arms. Cut 4 squares of fabric that are 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters. These measurements are a little bit bigger than the arms of the chair, but we need that extra room for when we sew or glue the cushion together. If you're planning on sewing, you're going to start off by placing one square in front of you with the good side of the fabric facing up. Stack another square on top of the first square, but this time you want the wrong side of the fabric facing up, or the back of the fabric. This way we have 2 good sides of our fabric facing each other. Sew along any 3 sides of the fabric. We're going to leave one side alone because we will need that opening to turn the fabric inside out. If you can't sew, you can try using fabric glue instead. Apply glue to the good side of one piece of fabric on 3 sides. With this glue alternative, it's very important to make as straight a lines as you can on the fabric, otherwise you may see your glue later on the edges. Place a second square on top of the glue with the good side down. And again, we want the 2 good sides of the fabric facing each other. After you have the 3 sides sewn or glued and the glue is dry, flip the fabric inside out so that the 2 good sides are now on the outside. Use a small amount of stuffing to fill the cushion. You're going to want to use less stuffing than you would expect to make it easier to work with later on when you're trying to attach the cushions to the arms of your chair. Sew or glue the top of the cushion shut. I like to pinch in the 2 flaps in a bit before sewing mine so that the unfinished edge of the fabric will not be on the outside of the cushion. Repeat these steps for the other cushion for the opposite arm of the chair. Next, we are going to cut 4 rectangles of 6 centimeters wide by 5 centimeters tall to make 2 cushions for the backrest of the chair. You're going to want to follow the same steps for the arm cushion by sewing or gluing the 3 sides, stuffing the cushion, and then sewing or gluing the remaining side shut. Now we're ready to attach the cushions to the chair. We're going to start off with the arm cushions. We're going to attach these cushions to the arms using the low temperature glue gun. I like to work with low temperature glue guns whenever possible because it seems I always stick my finger in the glue. And that really hurts if you're using a regular glue gun. Line up the arm cushion so that it is just above the cushion on the seat of your chair. The back of the arm cushion should line up with the back of the chair's arm. Then fold the cushion over the top of the arm. Now this is the step that will show you why it's important not to overstuff the cushion, because if it's overstuffed, it's going to be harder to fold. Repeat with the other arm of the chair. Next, we're going to apply the 2 cushions to the backrest of the chair. I find it's easiest if you start with the bottom cushion and line it up so that it rests just above the seat cushion of the chair. I'm not going to glue the very top edge of this cushion though, because I want to slide the edge of the next cushion just a bit underneath it. Now we glue down the second cushion so that the top edge of the bottom cushion overlaps the bottom edge of this new cushion. Then you can apply a bit of glue to the top of the back side of the bottom cushion to secure it to the top cushion. And now your basic armchair has been converted to a more comfy looking deluxe chair. It seems that people are enjoying these crafting videos, so I have plans to make more in the future. But what should I make next? Let me know what you'd like to see in the comments down below. And that's it for today, but if you haven't got enough crafting fun for the day, feel free to check out some of my other videos. And if you'd like to stay updated with my projects, feel free to subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.